Hello dressmakers and friends, let's make a French seam. A French seam is a kind of seam that is used on fabrics that fray easily. They are used on delicate fabrics and it gives that neat, clean finishing on your seam. And how do you go about it? Get the right side of your fabric, both wrong side facing each other. Usually we do right side facing each other. I hope we remember. But in this case, we will do wrong side facing each other and we will stitch on the right side. So just as you see me do, you are just going to be stitching on the right side with 1/4 inch of a seam allowance. In this case, on this shoulder line, which I'm stitching right now, I have 1/2 inch seam allowance. So I'm be stitching 1/4 inch on that point. So I will be left with 1/2 inch, okay? So first I'm going to be stitching out a bit, okay? And after now, I'm going to be flipping it to the other side. Then I'll be stitching out the remaining seam allowance. I already have 1/4 taken out. Now I need to take out the remaining 1/4. Remember, what I have on this seam allowance is 1/2 inch. So if you have 1 inch, you know that when you take out 1/4 at first, you need to take out 3/4 at the end when you flip it to the wrong side. Okay, I hope you understand that perfectly. So now all you need to do is just stitch the remaining seam allowance along just like this. Don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and the end of your sewing. And voila, here is what you have. Take a look at this neat, gorgeous looking seam. This is so pretty. I hope you'll be trying out this seam method. Let me know what you think in the comments. Will you be trying this out? Let me know what you think in the comment section and I will see you again in next video. Bye.